Assalamu alaikum. I have coded a program to create a calendar. I am going to demonstrate it to you. Well, first you should know what is a calendar. A calendar is a system of organizing days for social, religious, commercial, or administrative purposes. This is done by giving names to periods of time, typically like days, months, weeks, and years. First, I'm gonna explain the code to you, and afterwards, we will talk about calendars, like how did calendar invent, who invented, who reformed, its uses, and all that, etc. So, this is my code that you are watching on the screen for calendar. Let's have a look at this. I have used integers characters as data types here. Moreover, functions are also used in this program. Starting from the very first line, excluding include that include std or I used a function at the very beginning of the code and put a formula for calendar there. And yeah, that formula isn't made by me, of course. It has been taken from Google. Then I started a typical coding. Printf, scanf was used, and multiple variables like character, integer were mentioned, which had all the month's name here. Like you can see there, character has all the month's name, integer has the dates in a month, days of month are mentioned in an array demonstrated by or described by integer, which is int. You can see that. Then I used an if else condition, not else but if condition. If condition is used to derive that the statement you are seeing after if is derived from the calendar formula. After typing a line in if else statement forum, there in the line this line is for the month of February. Then I started a loop here, so these months can make a circle from January to December. I have put two for statements again in a loop, making it a nested loop. Like you can see, I used a for statement first, and inside that I used two times for statements again, which makes it a nested loop. At the end, we used an if statement again, so that the weekdays may not go beyond 7 days, which does not even exist. So this is how I concised my code for you. Now we'll see whether the code is running or not. Now you can see as it is asking us to enter the year. So yeah, I would type here 20th May 2001 as it was my birth. It's my birth date. My birthday passed away recently, passed recently. You don't need to say happy belated birthday. 10 days have passed now. I'm sad. Well, so yeah, I can see that. So here I got the calendar for the year 2001, and you can see as according to the cursor, this is the day I was born. I was born on Sunday. That's why I don't like to work. Yes, I like to sleep. Now let's let's talk about some of the history of the calendars. This Roman calendar was reformed by Julius Caesar in 46 BC. This calendar wasn't dependent on the observation of the new moon but simply followed an algorithm of introducing a leap year every 4 years. The first calendar reform of the early modern era was the Gregorian calendar, introduced in 1582 based on the observation of a long-term shift between the Julian calendar and solar year. Now taking to the end of the video, we are gonna end the video. So I would like to highlight some really useful benefits from calendar which can make our lives easier. The very first use, which is really common, like upcoming events or decided schedules can be saved according to the calendar. Our government, like we, the recent incident happened of the moon sighted of Eid. Science is using these calendars, technologies, and holidays are decided according to it, to the calendars. Calendars can also be used to help us manage our personal schedules, times, and activities, particularly when individuals have numerous works, school, and other like family commitments. And recently, we had a